welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Jira site logo. To do that, you just need to go to the settings gear on the top right corner and click System. Here you're going to see all the settings of your Jira Cloud site. We need to scroll down to User Interface and click on Look and Feel. Here you've noticed that there is the default Atlassian Jira software logo, and you already have a message here that your new logo has to be under 360 pixel width by 56 pixel height. I already have a logo created and adjusted to those measurements, so I'm going to go ahead and choose File. Just double click or open your existing logo, and you just need to go and click on the Upload Logo button, which will go ahead and update the existing one, replace the existing one. Here we go. You just notice the new logo is there. If you want to go back to the default, if you don't like how it looks and you still need to work on a new logo or change measurements or anything, you can just reset back to default and it's gonna reset back to the previous one. So yeah, you can go back now to the home page and you can see the logo is already updated there. That's it from today. I hope this video was helpful and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All the best.